Number 8, we're asked to find the value of each variable, and in this case we're supposed to give our answers in decimal form rounded to the nearest tenth. So if I look at my picture, I can eliminate Pythagorean theorem as one of the options because I'm only given one side length at 20. And if I look at the angles, I notice that one of them is 45, so using the triangle sum theorem, the other left-hand corner has to be 45 as well. Therefore, I could use special right triangles, 45, 45, 90. So I like to organize my information in a tic-tac-toe form chart. So 45, 45, 90. The reference triangle we always use is 1, 1, root 2. And our picture is the new scaled version, in this case a larger size, of the 1, 1, root 2. So in the first and second column go the numbers across the 45 degrees, in this case 20 and x, and it doesn't matter what we write first. I'm going to write x first and then the 20, and then across the 90 would be the y. Then we look at which column, first, second, or third, has just numbers. The first has a 1 and an x, the third has a 2 and a root 2 and a y, so the only column with just numbers would be the middle. Then we ask ourselves, starting with the top column here, the second one, what's our scale factor? 1 times what number would give us a new side length of 20? Well, this should be really easy. It's just 1 times 20. So my scale factor in this case is 20, so I'm multiplying all columns by 20. So in order to find x, I look at the column with the x, so that's this first column. So it's just 1 times 20, so x is 20. So it says write our answer in decimal form, that's if we get a root. And then the third column has the y, so it's 20 times root 2. So this is where we do need a calculator, 20 root 2, or 20 times root 2. How would you type this in? Well, there's two ways. You could type in 20 first, or the root 2 first. Since these are being multiplied together, I like to do the root first, so I hit 2, square root, I get 1.414, and then times 20 equals. And that's approximately 28.3. Taking a look at my picture, do these answers make sense? Y is the hypotenuse, so it should be the biggest number, and 28.3 is the largest number, and then both x and 20 should be the same, and they are.